Ever wonder how we got this effortless, I woke up like this lip look? The secret isn't new. It's a timeless classic called lip tint. Let's travel back in time. Long before lipstick tubes, ancient Egyptians were masters of color. They used natural pigments like red ochre mixed with resin or beeswax to stain their lips and cheeks, a practice embraced by both men and women to signify status and beauty. This wasn't about heavy layers, but about enhancing their natural features with a subtle wash of color. It was the original lip and cheek stain. Fast forward to the Victorian era in Europe. Overt makeup was a huge no-no, considered scandalous and improper for respectable ladies. But the desire for a healthy, rosy glow never faded. So, what did they do? They got clever. Women would discreetly bite their lips or pinch their cheeks before entering a room to create a temporary, natural-looking flush. Some even used flower petals, like crushed geraniums or roses, to secretly stain their lips with a hint of color. It was all about subtlety, creating an illusion of natural vitality without the appearance of wearing any makeup at all. The goal was to look naturally beautiful, not painted. The real revolution for lip tints, as we know them today, began in the 1970s. It started not in a high-fashion house, but backstage at a theater. An exotic dancer was looking for a product that could give her nipples a rosier, more prominent color that wouldn't smudge or fade under hot stage lights. The solution, a rose-tinted liquid created from steamed petals. This creation was a game-changer. Dancers and performers loved it, and soon word got out. The product was bottled and sold, and its use quickly expanded from just nipples to lips and cheeks. People discovered it gave a perfect, long-lasting, smudge-proof flush that looked incredibly natural. This was the birth of the modern liquid tint. In the late 90s and early 2000s, South Korea's beauty scene took this concept and absolutely perfected it. K-beauty innovators focused on creating lightweight, water-based formulas that felt like nothing on the lips. They introduced the world to the gradient lip or popsicle lip trend, where color is concentrated on the inner part of the lips and blended outwards for a youthful, just-bitten effect. This technique was all about creating dimension and making the lips look plump and delicate. The textures evolved too, from watery tints to creamy, velvety mousses and glossy stains, offering different finishes for every preference. But always prioritizing that natural, stained-from-within look. So how do you make lip tint work for your unique face shape? It's all about strategic application. If you have a rounder face, applying tint in a classic gradient style can help create a focal point in the center of your face, adding a touch of definition. For those with a more angular or square face shape, you can soften your features by slightly overlining the Cupid S-bow and the center of your bottom lip with the tint. Use your finger to blur the edges softly. This creates the illusion of fuller, rounder lips, which balances out strong angles in the jawline. If your face is heart-shaped with a wider forehead and a narrower chin, the goal is to balance your proportions. Apply the lip tint evenly across your lips, but keep the color soft and blended. Avoid sharp lines. A soft, full lip helps draw attention downward, creating harmony with your chin. For oval faces, you're in luck. This face shape is quite versatile, so you can play with most application styles. You can go for a sharp, defined lip line or a soft, blurry gradient. Experiment to see what makes you feel most confident. The key is that the tint becomes a part of your look, not just something sitting on top of your skin. It enhances, it doesn't mask. Today, lip tints are a global phenomenon, loved for their versatility and staying power. They are the cornerstone of the clean girl aesthetic and no makeup looks. Why? Because they adapt to you. The stain works with your natural lip color to create a custom shade that's uniquely yours. It's makeup that doesn't feel like makeup. It's about enhancing your natural beauty just as people have tried to do for centuries. From ancient pigments to modern formulas, the goal has always been the same: to achieve that effortless, healthy glow. And that's the timeless magic of a good lip tint. Thanks for watching.